Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your text message background on iPhone. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to open your messages application. And one thing that you need to keep in mind is that changing background on one specific chat won't change the background on all of the chats. You'll have to do that manually for each one. So now let's say I have opened this chat. You're going to click on the name icon at the top. Once done, you're going to click on background right next to info and you'll be able to see various backgrounds. So we have none, we have photo. You can simply select any of the background from your gallery. We have any color from playground, sky, water, and any other suggestions like you can see them over here. So for example, we're going to go with water. And once you click on water, you'll be able to see that the water is floating. You can simply select whether you want it to be light or you want it to be dark. And you can also select any other from these suggestions. For example, if you're going to go with this one, you'll be able to see that you can swipe in order to change the colors. After that, you can simply click on this tick icon. And when you go back to your messages, you'll be able to see that this is now the new background. And that is how you can change your text message background on iPhone. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.